When the sun shines in the morning and where you just don't seem to care. Weight of your broken heart, well, it's more than you can bear. Your suffering soul is dying and you just can't stand the pain. Only thing you can do now is just pray for rain. Pray for rain. Pray for rain. Life has left you lonely and you're looking for the truth. Love is just another lie and you're the living proof. You're throwing in the towel 'cause there's nothing left to gain. Fall to your bended knee and pray for rain. Pray for rain. Pray for rain. Pray for rain to wash away all the troubles in your life. Pray for rain to cleanse your morning and to rinse your darkest night. 'Cause when God's tears are falling down, it makes everything alright. So pray for rain. Pray for rain. When there's no light in your tunnel for you to see the way, and you just can't seem to find the strength to fight another day, giving all you got to give, it weighs heavy on your brain. And now the only thing you can do to help yourself stay sane is to pray for rain. Oh, pray for rain. When you're looking for that second chance, you just need a chance to make it right. You're not gonna die right here, no, you're in it for the fight. Sink or swim, it's up to you, or you're going down the drain. The last chance life's gonna give you is that little chance to pray for rain. So pray for rain. Pray for rain. Pray for rain to wash away all the troubles in your life. Pray for rain to cleanse your morning and rinse your darkest night. 'Cause when God's tears are falling down, it makes everything alright. So pray for rain. Pray for rain.